He dedicated himself to the pursuit of knowledge and education, with the intention of completing college in 3 years to save both time and money. Tepper initiated trading during his college years to contribute to his tuition. He was extremely proficient in mathematics and recognized an opportunity in the options market, as it was not efficient in pricing adjustments based on the underlying stock promptly when he began trading. He achieved significant success in his option arbitrage trading and was able to utilize the earnings to finance his college education. David Tepper was the sole trader at Goldman Sachs who did not lose money during the 1987 Black Monday stock market collapse. During the collapse, Tepper was short and earned a substantial amount of money, while others were either losing a significant amount of money or being completely ruined by their losses. Goldman did not have a favorable opinion of him, and he was unable to establish partnerships. Not at all, Tepper began trading aggressively with his account after becoming content at Goldman Sachs. How did David Tepper make his money? He decided to depart after being overlooked for a companion on numerous occasions. In 1993, Tepper established his hedge fund, Appaloosa Management, and raised $57 million in capital by leveraging his connections at Goldman Sachs. He derived immense satisfaction from embarking on his own and claimed that it significantly enhanced his quality of life. The fund earned a 30% return in 1995 when Tepper purchased Argentine bonds at the nadir of the market, just before the country's recovery. His approach is that of a profound value investor who seeks out undervalued assets with the expectation that they will appreciate and revert to their intrinsic value. Appaloosa generated substantial returns until 1998, when Tepper lost $80 million by wagering on Russian bonds before their default. Tepper astonishingly acquired Russian bonds at a rate of 5 cents per dollar after the 1999 default. He recovered his previous losses and even wound up profitable on the Russian bond trade, earning 61% on that transaction. Payments of as little as 5 cents per dollar for the debt of Citigroup, Bank of America, and AIG. His wagers were highly profitable, resulting in a 330% return on B of A debt and a 220% return on Citi debt. Additionally, he generated $1 billion in profits from the acquisition of AIG debt. Additionally, Tepper's hedge fund generated approximately $7 billion in 2009 by purchasing distressed financial equities in February and March, such as Bank of America common stock at $3 per share, and subsequently benefiting from the stock market recovery later in the year. How did David Tepper become a billionaire? According to a report published by LCH Investments, Appaloosa Management, which was established in 1993 by David Tepper, has generated net gains of $30.70 billion for its investors. He became a billionaire as a result of the commissions he received and his share of profits from money management. Between its inception and 2019, the Appaloosa hedge fund he established generated an average annual return of approximately 25%. David Tepper intends to transform his hedge fund into a family office. In recent years, Tepper has been gradually reducing the size of his fund and redistributing capital to customers. David Tepper strategy. The following are recommendations for investing and trading in the manner of David Tepper. He consistently assumes a position with a substantial margin of safety. The remaining drawback is circumscribed. He must ascertain how the value of an asset will be realized in the future. He is a profound value investor who purchases when there is a sense of urgency, seeks out items that are significantly overvalued in terms of price and value, and has a high likelihood of not reverting to zero, but rather reverting to the historical mean in terms of price and value. What is David Tepper's net worth? The current net worth of David Tepper in 2022 is $18.5 billion, as reported by Forbes. At present, he occupies the 79th position in the global wealth rankings. Managing capital was how Tepper achieved his status as one of the world's wealthiest individuals. He was able to accumulate wealth by leveraging the capital of others and compounding the development of his fund's assets under management by making his investors richer and attracting additional funds. Over the years, his fees and a portion of the proceeds from investors in his fund resulted in his extraordinary wealth. He does not employ leverage in his investing to mitigate the risk of financial disaster. However, he does leverage the money of others to achieve wealth. Tepper's Appaloosa Management hedge fund has intentionally reduced its assets under management to $13 billion, a reduction from its previous apex of $20 billion. This is due to his gradual transition from the money management business to a private family office, the David Tepper effect on modern investing. The world of finance has been forever altered by David Tepper, the visionary who revolutionized investing. His audacious approach and pioneering strategies have ignited a passion in an entire generation of investors. Tepper's investment strategies are not suitable for those who are timid. They constitute an exhilarating roller coaster of high-risk, high-reward scenarios. He is renowned for his reckless approach to distressed assets, betting on their eventual recovery when the majority would flee. This unconventional approach has established him as a trailblazer in the industry, inspiring others to emulate his boldness. However, there is more. Tepper generously donated a staggering $67 million to his alma mater, Carnegie Mellon University. The David A. Tepper Quadrangle, a dynamic center for the Tepper School of Business, was constructed with the assistance of this monumental donation. Therefore, the benefits of David's investments are not limited to him and his trustees. Future pupils are also entitled to a portion of the pie. The extent of his influence is such that Simon Reed dedicated a section of his book, The Tao of Trading: How to Build Abundant Wealth in Any Market Condition, to Tepper's investment strategies. This book provides readers with a unique opportunity to gain insight into the mind of this investing virtuoso. Conclusion: David Tepper's journey from a determined college student trading to pay his tuition to a billionaire investor is a testament to his exceptional financial acumen, resilience, and ability to capitalize on opportunities where others see risk. His strategic focus on undervalued assets, disciplined risk management, and willingness to act boldly during market downturns set him apart as a trailblazer in the investment world. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, subscribe for more updates, and drop a comment with your thoughts below. We'd love to hear from you.